Machiegni kendo nyako Ramogi kaonti ma Siaya ochako keto kogno rak mag tich e kinde kod jotend migepe ne kaluwore kod dwaro mar lipot mane aput manono tije kaonti ne ochiwo. Gavana ma Siaya James Orengo mane otelo ne chenro mar chuo kogno orak go bende ne ochiko mondo chenro no ochwal nyaka ne chief officers kod directors. Jalup Public Service Board ma Siaya Elijah Achoch owacho ni wacho rak no biro neno ne jotelo go tiyo makare ne jopiny e loko kaonti ma Siaya.
The contract is cascaded to all staff through staff performance appraisal systems, individual work plans as a tool of monitoring progress, and personal evaluation. Departments and agencies are encouraged to adopt the rapid results initiatives to fast-track implementation of certain components of the performance contracts.
We must make sure that we execute on the objectives that we've signed with the governor today. And the way to achieve these objectives is to periodically review progress with a view to patting yourself on the back or making remedial actions, taking remedial actions in the event that you are not achieving your objectives.
Whatever we do must be measurable, and that's why these performance contracts are critical. And looking at the principles and objectives of the public service, which is a chapter in our constitution, service delivery and performance of public officers and state officers in undertaking their duty and mandates under the Constitution are well spelled out, and I think this process is to enhance what is in the law and in the